Finding the right tools to migrate, build, or modernize your cloud-based web app can be complex. With all the choices available, it can be difficult to know which ones to use. And afterwards, it's up to you to manage multiple services to provision infrastructure, handle deployments, and scale your web app. What if you could instead focus on writing code and building great web apps? Wouldn't it be nice to not have to worry about provisioning services, scaling infrastructure, or updating your platform with the latest patches? AWS Elastic Beanstalk is an easy-to-use service for deploying and scaling web applications and services developed with Java, .NET, Node.js, Python, and many more on familiar servers like Nginx and IIS. Elastic Beanstalk automatically manages the services needed to host and scale your application. Getting started with Elastic Beanstalk is easy. Migrate your application by uploading your source code bundle to Elastic Beanstalk using the Management Console or command line interface. Elastic Beanstalk returns a URL for your new web app and automatically handles the deployment details, such as provisioning, load balancing, auto-scaling, and application health monitoring. You have the option to configure your web app to run on your preferred instance type, or to add resources such as a virtual private cloud or a relational database. Elastic Beanstalk also provides a pathway to modernization. You can re-implement portions of your application as containerized services. Then, by linking to your existing web app, create a distributed application. With Elastic Beanstalk, you can retain control over the AWS resources powering your application, allowing you to manage as much or as little as required. Even better, there's no additional charge for Elastic Beanstalk. You pay only for the AWS resources needed to store and run your applications. With Elastic Beanstalk, you can focus on building API services, web backends, websites, content management systems, and even SaaS applications without spending a lot of time managing and configuring infrastructure. To get started, visit the Elastic Beanstalk console and get your web app running in the cloud in just a few clicks.